In today's video, we're going to explore the top 3 video editor apps for Android that can help you create amazing videos right from your smartphone. Let's dive in and see what each app has to offer. Flameit Video Editor. Flameit Video Editor is a user-friendly app designed for those looking to create engaging videos quickly. With a range of editing features, it allows users to trim, cut, and merge video clips effortlessly. The app offers various filters, effects, and transitions to enhance the visual appeal of your videos. Additionally, Flameit has a straightforward interface that makes it accessible for beginners, enabling them to produce high-quality content without a steep learning curve. The app also supports different aspect ratios, making it ideal for various social media platforms, ensuring your videos look great regardless of where you share them. SmartCut AI Video Editor. SmartCut AI Video Editor leverages advanced artificial intelligence technology to simplify the video editing process. This app can analyze your footage and automatically suggest improvements, such as removing unwanted sections or optimizing transitions. Users can manually edit their videos as well, using features such as trimming, splitting, and adding effects. The AI-driven recommendations help save time while enhancing the overall quality of the content. With its intuitive design and powerful editing tools, SmartCut is perfect for those who want to create polished videos without spending hours on editing. Spring Video Editor Maker. Spring Video Editor Maker is a versatile video editing app that caters to both novice and experienced editors. It offers a range of features, including video trimming, merging, and adding music or voiceovers. Users can choose from a variety of filters, animations, and effects to create captivating videos that stand out. The app also provides the ability to add text overlays and stickers, which can help personalize your content. With its easy-to-use interface and comprehensive editing options, Spring Video Editor Maker is an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance their videos for social media or personal projects. Thanks for watching. We hope this overview of Flameit Video Editor, SmartCut AI Video Editor, and Spring Video Editor Maker helps you find the perfect app for your video editing needs. Until next time, happy editing!